guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code for your surveys on Qualtrics. After you finish creating your survey, for example, I have a garden tour survey right here. After I finished it, it's all done and published. You're going to go to distributions on the top left side. And then scroll to the very bottom and you'll see the QR code tab on the left bottom. And here it's already made for you. So you just press download QR code and it will download right here as a PNG image. And then it'll show up just like this. And you can copy this image and put it onto your presentations, like your PowerPoints, or you can copy this image and put it onto your pamphlets or any print out things you might have so that people can easily access it with their camera phones.